Hey, it's Dave Zarilla from Marinemax of Norwalk, and if you're watching this segment, it has to do with accessing your battery switches, turning them on in the beginning of the day, and shutting them off at the end. Tremendous amounts of headaches, especially with those dead batteries, when you forget to shut them off. If you still have a problem, by all means, you could reach out to customer care at marinemax.com, and one of my specialists will be more than happy to walk you through it. Have a good day. So we're aboard the brand new 32 Sea Ray Sundancer, and one of the first things I like to do when I climb aboard is you turn the battery switches on and you're good to go. Everything should power up just nicely on the boat. You play with the boat, you have a great time. At the end of the day, try to be mindful to shut those battery switches off. So battery switches turned on first thing, and the last thing is to shut those battery switches off. You do that in the event that someone accidentally left a light bulb or a light or a stereo system that was left on, and you don't recognize it right away. You go home, you're away from the boat for a week, and you come down and you wind up having dead batteries. Nothing is more frustrating than that. A way to alleviate that problem: shut the battery switches off. When you leave, turn the battery switches on when you come back on the boat. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. Have a good day.